Hey everybody, so this is 3.1E lesson, and we're going to be looking at the difference between a minus sign and a plus and negative sign. Okay, so let's go ahead and draw a model for this one. So 4x, 2, 3, 4x. And then if we're taking away 5 positive tiles, we don't have positive unit tiles here. So we need to add in 5 zero pairs. Okay, now let me get another color here. We're taking away those. We're taking away 5 positives. That's what that would look like. Okay, and then this model over here, we'd have 4x tiles and 5 negative unit tiles. Okay, clearly this one's shorter and easier. Okay. So which of the above is most efficient? Number 2 is most efficient since no zero pairs needed to be added. All right, so it's important to remember this definition from Mod 2 that allows you to write equivalent expressions and model most efficiently. Okay, this is key. You need to understand the power of that definition of subtraction in order to help you model more efficiently. Okay. All right, so let's take a look at, it says draw an algebra tile model for each expression. If you use the definition of subtraction to model more efficiently, then write that expression before modeling. Then simplify, keeping in mind commutative, associative, and substitution properties. All right, so I have 3 x's and I have 2 positives. And if I'm taking away 2 x tiles, I have them there. So I'm running with exactly what it says. So there's my model, and my answer would be x plus 2. Okay, this guy right here, got 2 x's, 1 positive, 3 more positives, and I need to take away 5 positives. Okay, now I could make this a plus a negative 5 and just put in 5 negative tiles. Okay, maybe that's easier. Or I could add in, I have four positives here. If I need 5 positives, wouldn't I need to add in 1 zero pair? Okay, so I still, that's nothing. This is nothing. I still have 2x plus 1 plus 3, but now I have to add that 0 pair in order to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, take away 5 positive tiles. Okay, so my answer is 2x plus a negative 1. Okay, or if you want to write your answer 2x, so let me scooch that up, 2x minus 1, you may. These answers are the same in the end. Their models are different if we had to model them, okay? All right, this guy, 2 negative x's, 4 positive tiles, oopsies, sorry, 4 positive tiles, and then I'm taking away 3 positive tiles. So negative 2x plus 1 is my answer. Okay, a couple more. All right, same directions. Model what you see. If you want to model more efficiently, show the change you're making. So I've got 2 negative x tiles, 3 positives, 3 positive x tiles, and I'm taking away 2 positives. All right, that's my model. Now let's simplify. This one and this one go away, this one and this one go away. So I'm left with x plus 1 as an answer. All right, here goes the next one. I've got 5 x tiles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if I'm taking away 3 unit tiles, I don't have any. You know what? It would be much easier to rewrite this as this. Okay, that way I can just put in 3 negatives, 4 more negatives, and another x tile. Okay, so my answer is 6x plus -7, that looks like. Or if I want to write 6x minus 7 as my answer, that's fine too. All right, let's look at this guy. 3 negative x tiles. 1 positive unit tile. 2 positive x tiles. And I'm taking away 3 positives. I only have 1. I'm going to add in 2 0 pairs. I'm going to keep it the way it is, but I'm going to add in 2 0 pairs. Okay, now I'm all set up to take away 3 positives. There it is. Okay, now I'm going to simplify. This one goes away with this one. This one goes away with this one. I'm left with a negative x plus 2 negatives, or negative x minus 2. All right, number 10. Your friend is struggling to understand what it means when the directions say simplify the expression. What can you tell your friend to help him? All right, so what we could say is find like terms and use commutative, associative, and substitution properties to combine. Oops, sorry guys. Find like terms and use the commutative, associative, and substitution properties to combine them. Okay, your friend is also having trouble modeling the expression negative 2x minus 5x. What might you say to help him? Okay, so after putting in 2 negative x tiles, you could either add 3 0 pairs, or could have changed the expression to negative 2x plus negative 5x and modeled more efficiently. Oh geez, I'm off the page again. Sorry guys. After putting in 2 negative x tiles, you could either add 3 0 pairs or could have changed the expression to negative 2x plus negative 5x and modeled more efficiently. All right. Last page, we are bringing on a y and a negative y. Okay, so please notice an x and a y are different. The y's are longer. The negative x and the negative y are different. Okay, so the same rules apply, but now we've got x's, y's, and integers. All right, so I've got an x and an x, a y, another x, a 2, and a y. Okay, if your x's and y's look similar, please take a moment and say what they are. Mine, I think, look different. Okay, but if you're kind of being quick and they look relatively the same size, then please do that. All right, collecting these like terms. I've got 3 x's, 2 y's, and 2. That's my answer. All right, this guy. I've got an x, I've got a y, I'm taking away an x, I'm taking away a y, and I've got 2. My answer is 2. Let me put these kind of in a, that's my answer, that's my answer. All right, let's look at this one. Negative 2 plus 3x minus 4. Okay, and then I've got this minus y. I don't want 0 pairs with y's. I'm changing this to be all addition. That'll make it much simpler for me to model. So I've got 2 negative tiles. I've got, let's do the x's this way, 3 x's. I've got 4 more negatives. 2, 3, 4. I've got, oops, these were, yep, that's right. And then I've got 2 more x's. I've got a negative y. And I've got a positive 2y. And again, if you can't tell the difference between your x's and y's, please put an x in your tiles or a y in your tiles, okay? All right, my answer. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 x's. This y and this y go away. So I have plus y, plus 1y, either way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus 6 negatives. So here's my answer. Okay, one more. Let me look ahead at it and see if I want to make my minus signs. Yeah, I don't want to be making 0 pairs to take away a y, and I don't want to do it again with this one. So I'm changing this expression to be all additions. Yeah, and that guy, I don't want to take away positive 7. Okay, so now I'm in all additions, and remember addition with chips, you just keep putting it in, okay? So I've got 5 negatives, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have an x, I have a negative y, I have a negative 2y, I have 3 more x's, 2, 3, and then I have 7 more negatives, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All right, no 0 pairs. I've got 4x plus 3 negative y's plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 negative unit tiles. Okay, so there's my answer for that one. Okay, let me push it up so you can see that minus 12 or that negative 12. All right, so that concludes 3.1E lesson. Thanks, guys.